For today's video, we will show you how to make money on Teespring. So let's begin. So you choose the selling price and profit for all your products. When a product sells, you get to keep the profit. For example, the base cost of a t-shirt is $10 and your selling price is $24. When you sell a shirt, you will earn $14. Once the orders are processed, your profit will be available for withdrawal in the payout section of your Teespring account. Don't forget, the more you sell, the more profit you can per product per month. Okay? And do you have to pay anything to use Teespring? Of course no. Teespring is completely free to use because all products are made to order, so you don't need to invest anything upfront. You'll earn profit when you make a sale. Keep in mind, if you opt into some of our sales driving tools like the boosted network, a portion of the profits may be deducted to pay for the service, and you can learn more in the training center. Now, how does Teespring make money? Teespring makes money when you make money because the service fee is included in the base cost of the products, and this fee goes towards maintaining the team, production facilities, sourcing product stock, etc. Don't forget, you'll see the base cost when creating a product, and you can decide how much profit you want to make on each side. Of course, if you are asking, can Teespring help you sell your products? Of course, they will do what they can to help drive sales, but Teespring works best when you're also working to find potential customers through online promotion. The boosted network can help you sell more, but of course, Teespring do not recommend relying solely on this tool to drive sales for you. Keep in mind, stores and promotions are ideal for increasing sales when sharing products with followers and potential customers, right? If you want to know more about, tang ina mo, hindi ko na ano yung ano, shit.